Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making chicken chukka. It's a dry preparation of chicken in Indian spices. This recipe is so simple. You can cook this in just 10 to 15 minutes with a few ingredients which you already have at home. This is little different from other chicken dry preparation and I hope you enjoy this delicious chicken fry. Now let's get started. Ingredients we need to make this chicken dish. To make this dish, I've got 1 kilo chicken washed and I put few gashes on it so that the spices get into the chicken well. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder. It has less spice and gives a nice color to the dish. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use vinegar also. 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of salt. Combine all these ingredients well. If your chicken pieces are big, just put 2-3 cuts so that the spices get well into the chicken. Now mix everything well for a minute. You can also put this marinated chicken in the fridge overnight and cook the next day. Set this aside, let it marinate for 30 minutes. These pieces are big, it has to marinate at least 30 minutes. If your chicken pieces are small, you can straight away cook it. Chicken is well marinated. Now into a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, 6 cloves, 2 bay leaves. Saute this for 30 seconds. Add the marinated chicken. Cook this for 2 minutes on a high flame. Do not mix it. Now turn the chicken to the other side. Cook for 2 more minutes on a high flame. This is 350 grams of potato. This is optional. We like to add potatoes in the chicken. If you don't like to add, just skip it. Add half a cup of water to the marinated bowl, rinse and add it to the chicken. This water is to cook the potato. If you are not adding potato, do not add water. Chicken will ooze out water. That will be sufficient for it to cook. Mix well, keep the flame on low, cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give a mix, cover and cook again for 2 more minutes on a low flame. Chicken and potatoes are done and oil started to separate. Once the chicken is tender, do not cover the pan. Cook this for 2 minutes on a medium heat. Gravy has to reduce. Finally, add some fresh coriander and curry leaves. This will add up extra flavor to the dish. There you have it, quick, easy and delicious chicken chukka. Give this recipe a try. Share this recipe with your loved ones and also share your thoughts and suggestions about this recipe in the comment section below. and I'm sure you definitely like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.